Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Payoneer application in your device. So this is really gonna easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So if you use iPhone, then go to App Store, and if you use Android, then go to Google Play Store. So I'm just tap on the Google Play Store, and then you can see Google Play search box. Simply type here Payoneer. Okay, that's it, and then click here. Then you can see 4.5 and 88k reviews, 26 megabyte and 50 million plus already download this app. So what you need to do to get this app, simply tap on the install button, so it takes a moment to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.